Hey, what's up guys? Today we are going to unbox this Koenigsegg Jesko that I bought from Lamley's, one of Lamley's Whatnot streams. It's one of his exclusive cars. Not sure like how limited this car is, but I do like the specs of this car. So it's kind of an impulse buy. But it's the holidays and I kind of want to treat myself with like a Koenigsegg Jesko. This is my first Koenigsegg model, so I'm pretty excited to unbox this. So right now I'm just gonna unbox this, just one card, because I'm on my lunch break and I figure why not, let's just open this and see what it looks like. Okay, so here's the box. I hope you guys had a nice holidays like I did. Did I already say that already? But yeah, I'm pretty excited about this one. And like I said, this is my first Koenigsegg model from Tarmac. The pictures look good, videos and all that look good. Oh, got some pellets. And this one comes with Tarmac cards, or card. I'm not sure how many. Yeah, the nice looking box. Going back to the card real quick, I don't collect Tarmac cards. I like baseball cards. I like sports cards in general, and have a few marble cards, but right now. But going back to this box looks really cool. It's in green. Here's the picture or the artwork of the Jesko. Oh yeah, so it only comes with one pack. I guess in one pack equals 2 cards. We'll find out together. Yeah, so yeah, it's believe it's fully licensed by Koenigsegg. Have the logo there, Lamley logo on the right side. Yeah, let's crack this open. Okay, so here's the car. Looks really good. Oop. And I guess let's do the cards first. And I haven't opened like a pack in like forever, so I hope I don't damage the card inside. Oh, okay. Watch me pull a rare one here. And I believe CGC, if you're familiar with the with grading companies, I believe CGC grades these Tarmac cards. So if you're into that, I think they're the first grading company who grades Tarmac cards. I'm sure I'm sure they're working on other companies like PSA, the big ones, SGC, BGS. Oh, the corner. This first one. Okay, we got a base. Koenigsegg base. Koenigsegg Jesko attack base. Let's put that there. This one. Yeah, it's a base. 2 base cards. No big deal. Let's talk about the model. Comes with this plastic insert. I like their Global 64 box because it's the same size as Mini GT, so I usually stack them together, but in this one, since it's a limited edition, it comes with cards. It comes with this plastic insert, the 2-piece plastic insert, which I don't mind. I mean, for special editions, sure. I mean, the box is still small enough to be easily stored away. Enough blabbing. Okay, so here's the model. It looks cool already. I like it already. Let's talk about the sides. Wheels are they're good rollers. They're Global 64 if I'm not mistaken. If not, it's the Collab 64. No, it's Global 64. Let's see. Yeah, Global 64 are good rollers, at least in my experience. Not an exception here. See the air duct there? Looks very detailed, and then some aero bits on the side. And then on the side skirts, there's the blue and yellow color there, and then the red trim on the side. Yeah, the side looks very detailed, and the mirrors are hard rubber, so I like that. If you're new to the channel, I like the rubber. Big fan of the rubber side mirrors. You know, because you don't want to break these things. Um, you know, they're very delicate. So, but yeah, like I mentioned earlier, it has tire scripting, which I'm a big fan of. Big fan of tire scripting, especially on race cars. My goodness, it adds so much realism, if you ask me. Talk about the front here, the front lip. I believe it's not carbon. I don't see any carbon detail. There's a green line there that goes from the hood down to the lip, and then there's some details there in the grill, left and right grill. They're not perforated. The acrylic lights looks really good. Not a lot of details inside the headlamps, but you know they're clear nonetheless. So I like it. The hood comes with this some vents here, not perforated, but some details there. The sides has some venting as well, one on the left and right. On the driver's side, yeah, they look very similar to the passenger side. Got the is this orange or red? Man, I'm colorblind, but yeah, this is orange. I'm sorry, not red. Red line there, aero bit, and then the air duct down there, and then we have some blue and yellow coloring on the side skirt wheels. Looks really good. And on the back, oh, okay, good. Okay, let's have my phone focus here. Okay, here we go. So we have the Jesko printing in the middle. The middle exhaust there looks really mighty. And then the there's some writing there. Can't quite see it. It's tiny. Oh yeah, it does say Jesko on the top right there. The reflectors, the red reflectors are painted. They are not acrylic. However, the taillights are acrylic. Looks really good if you ask me. The wing looks good. It's not like crooked or anything. And it's high. I like it. I like the shape of the wing. It's crazy. It's crazy looking. Let's take a look at the top part of the car. I have some stripes, like gray stripes that goes from the wing, I guess from the thing that holds the wing onto the roof of the car and goes down to the hood. Interior, it's gonna be challenging here. Hold on, let me zoom in. Okay. I mean, they're black. I mean, the interior is always black. I mean, for most 1/64 scale that I've seen or that I collect. But there's some details there. I don't know if you guys can see it. And then going back here real quick on the back, since we're zoomed in here. Yeah, you can see the Jesko printing in the middle with the exhaust, the large exhaust. And then there's a Koenigsegg printing there on the wing. I didn't see that earlier because I didn't zoom in. That was on me. And then the Jesko printing on the right. That's really cool. And then also, I didn't mention this earlier, but yeah, there is a Jesko printing on B pillar, if I'm not mistaken. Check out the bottom. We have Tarmac Works up there, and they're using screws, which a lot of modders like because they're easily they can easily remove the base. The base is I want to say metal base. And going back to the screws real quick, yeah, modders like this because you can easily unscrew the base and then change the wheels or whatever. And then down here, there's the name of the car with the year and model, which I always appreciate in China. But yeah, wow, this. Oh yeah, let's do a quick roll test, but I'm pretty sure it's gonna roll already. Oh yeah. It's almost as good as Hot Wheels. Yeah, gosh, that's really nice. But yeah, that's it, guys. I just want to do a quick unboxing of this car. Also, pro tip, I paid, I think, around 30 bucks, $32 for this. But if you're on a budget, I mean, I'm usually on a budget, but I didn't expect this. I didn't expect this car to see on rcmart.com right away, because I thought it was, you know, really exclusive. But this morning when I checked rcmart.com, I found this same model. I'm not sure if it comes with the trading cards, but if you don't care about trading cards and you only care about the model, go to rcmart.com. You know me, I don't gatekeep. And I found this same model for like 12 bucks, I think. So you're welcome. But yeah, I mean, even if you don't collect Koenigsegg, this model in particular is, it's so good, guys. It's so good. Yeah, that's all, guys. I hope I see you guys on the next video. And thank you very much. Bye.